Let's make pork and peppers lettuce cups. This easy and healthy dinner is one of my all-time favorite recipes. Start by dicing 1 large yellow onion. Next, dice about 8 mini bell peppers. My trick for easily removing the seeds on bell peppers is to cut the stem off. Be sure to cut very close to the stem. Next, cut a small strip off one of the sides. Then open the pepper and you'll be able to pull the seed sac right out without letting all the seeds loose everywhere. Once the peppers and onions are diced, set those aside. Add 1 pound of ground pork into a large mixing bowl. I'm using my favorite organic prairie pork, which is pasture raised in the USA. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, which is my secret ingredient in this recipe, and then a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and marjoram. Mix this up with your hands to coat the pork completely. Put a large skillet over medium-high heat and add in 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. Next, add in the veggies and saute for a few minutes to lightly cook the onions and peppers. Next, add the ground pork and continue to cook until the pork is browned and fully cooked, about 10 minutes. To serve the lettuce cups, I chop up some scallions and serve the pork and peppers inside butter lettuce leaves and add scallions on top. This is one of my all-time favorite dinners that's quick and easy to make, and it's just as healthy and delicious. For more organic dinner recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.